This is Looking Forward for Physics 122 for Friday, the 6th of February, 2015. As you get ready for class on Friday, I'd like you to read sections 25.1 through 25.5 of the book. I'd like you to think about first, think about potential difference. Think about potential difference. And think about questions you have regarding potential energy difference and potential difference and the conservation of energy so that we can answer those in class before we move on. The second thing I'd like you to think about is the concept of what happens if I have a potential difference set up here. Imagine I have a conductor with a plate with positive charges here and a plate with negative charges here, and I connect them with a wire. What's going to happen if I naturally let those go? What will happen to the conduction electrons, or positive effectively charges, inside this wire? If I imagine that I put a positive charge in there, which way would it go? If I imagine I put in a negative charge, which way would it go? To the right or to the left? And why, especially as it relates to this concept of potential difference and potential energy difference. From that same perspective, what do the negative charges do and why? Third of all, I'd like you to imagine what's happening microscopically as, let's say, a positive charge is going through that wire. That wire is composed of atoms. Here are the atoms. And there is an electric field in that wire due to the fact that we have these charges on the outside that are trying to move things. What's this positive charge going to do? Is it going to flow through nicely? Or is it going to bounce around all over the place? And thinking about that, if you think of the energetics of what's going on, what'll energetically happen? We'll talk about that and more when we get together tomorrow. See you then.